Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to wire three-way switch. Okay, so this is a two-way switch. It has the common, and we have one terminal and a three terminal. Okay, same here. Okay, same. So the middle will be the common, and this will be the one terminal and three terminal. Okay, and this is the receptacle with a light. Okay, it has a ground. This will be the live, and this will be the neutral. Okay, and the diagram looks like this. Wiring diagram of three-way switch. Okay, so this will be the circuit breaker, and usually this is 15 ampere. Okay, and this is live. Okay, this live goes to this. Okay, the switch is like this. Okay, this is the common. That common should be connected here. Okay, and same with this. Okay, and this goes to the receptacle. Okay, and the light. Okay, and neutral should be here. Okay, neutral all the way there. Okay, now we need two wires for traveler. Okay, traveler. So we have three wire here. 1, 2, 3. That's why it's called three-way switch. Okay, some unscrupulous said this is a two-way switch. Okay, now this one here is our the common, and traveler should be connected. This traveler should be connected here and here and here and here, and let's do that in actual. Okay guys, I'm going to use 5 wire here. Well, in the single switch we only need the ground, the hot wire, and the neutral. Okay, since this is a three-way switch, we'll be needing 2 other wire for our traveler. Okay, so this will be my traveler 1 and my traveler number 2, or terminal number 3. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, because it's a short distance, no need to use cable guide here. All we need to do is just put electrical on the edge so it can enter there easily. Okay, so here we go. Okay guys, di na kailangan ng cable guide dito. Can start there. Here, then follow here. Okay guys, first thing to do is we're going to wire the traveler, and the red one is for the terminal number 1, and I'm going to plug in there on both of the switches. Okay, so this will be our traveler number 1. So same apply to the other two-way switch. So the other edge I'm going to plug into the terminal number 1. This should be, if your house is a 7th floor, the other guy should be on the staircase. Okay, or if it is a bungalow style, the other one should be near the entrance door, and the other one is near the where is the master bedroom. Or if you have other child who want to wire it on his or her bedroom, so you will be needing four-way switch. Okay, so usually it's only a three-way switch. Next is the traveler, which is the white, and it should be connected to terminal number 3 of the two-way switch. Okay, same apply to the other side. And now it's done, guys. Now I'm going to pull and cut the hot wire, which is the brown, and I'm going to wire up to the common terminal, which is the number 2 of the two-way switch. Okay, I just splice it, and there to the terminal number 2, which is the common. I'm going connector and tighten, and this will be the supply. Take note for the traveler, the hot wire is cut there. Now I'm going to connect the other edge to the common of the other switch. Okay, which is the terminal number 2 or the common. Now I'm going to tighten it up, and later I'm going to connect the receptacle, which is I have a 3 wire there. I have a green, which is for the ground, neutral blue, and the hot is the brown. Okay, so it's very easy. This one, guys, I'm going to wire it up, and there is it. Okay, now I'm going to put PVC pipe to the conduit going to the MCB. Okay, the hot wire should be go to the 15 ampere, but here it's a 10 ampere. And take note, guys, here we have a neutral and an earthing. Okay, so I just plug in it to the 10 ampere MCB intended for the lights. Okay, so just plug in there and tighten. Now together with the neutral and the ground. So napakadali po nito mga kababayan. It's very easy to do this. Okay, I remember my friend, he has a problem on how to install this three-way switch. So with the help of yours truly, I help him on how to do it. Okay, so here is it now, guys. We're ready for testing. Okay, I'm going to cover the two-way switch, and later we're going to test it if it's gonna work. Okay, just follow the diagram I made before I made the actual wiring of this. Okay, just do the wiring diagram and your work will not be blown up when you switch it on. It's super easy. Okay, guys, if you gonna like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And it's done, and we're going to test it. Okay, the 60 ampere on, which is the main, and the 10 ampere MCB is on, and let's on and off. Now it's working. Let's try to on, and I'm going to off it there. Okay, it's off. I'm going to on there, and I'm going to off to the other can, and it's off. On, off. I'm gonna on again, on. I'm going to off to the other one. Now it's working. On, off. Okay, it's working. Thanks for watching. Until then, God bless.